Imagine embarking on a month-long adventure with only $500 in your pocket. Sounds impossible, right? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a budget-friendly journey of a lifetime. We'll be navigating through the ins and outs of budget travel, exploring diverse locations, all while keeping our expenses under check. The key to this challenge? Meticulous planning and smart budgeting. So are you ready to see how we survive this extraordinary journey? Hold on tight because it's a wild ride. Day 1, we hit the ground running. With only $500 for 30 days, that's roughly $16 a day. So every dollar counts. Imagine this. You're waking up in a city you've never been to before. The first day is all about getting your bearings. A quick breakfast from a local market, just a couple of bucks, and then it's time to explore. Forget about taxis or renting a car. Public transportation or walking, that's the way to go. Not only is it cheaper, but it also gives you a chance to really see the city, to encounter its people, its culture. Lunch? Think local, a food truck or a mom-and-pop diner. Delicious, affordable, and authentic. For dinner, perhaps a picnic in a park with goods from a local grocery store. Remember, it's about the experience, not just the food. Each day is a new adventure filled with choices that can make or break your budget. Opting for free attractions like public parks and city festivals, or low-cost attractions like museums on discount days. Prioritizing needs over wants. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about being smart with your money. And that, folks, is how you make every single penny count. It's not just about seeing the world, it's about truly experiencing it on a shoestring budget. Now you might be wondering, what's the secret to surviving a month-long trip with only $500? Well, the secret is simple. First and foremost, leverage local resources. Often locals have the best insider tips on free or cheap activities and sites. Next, take advantage of free walking tours. These are not only budget-friendly, but they also give you a unique perspective of the city. Another secret is to cook your own meals whenever possible. Eating out can quickly eat up your budget. Lastly, consider staying in budget accommodations or using homestay services. These are often much cheaper than traditional hotels. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to surviving a month-long trip with only $500. So, did you find our budget travel secrets useful? If so, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe too for more savvy tips on budget travel. Share this video with your travel-loving friends. Remember, adventure is out there and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. So until next time, keep exploring and stay savvy.